We're here with Choice Cabinet with Chris and Lisa. How many cabinets do you offer?
In stock, we have about 100,000 cabinets at all times.
100,000?
100,000 cabinets.
That's amazing. So we actually are standing in the new headquarters for Choice Cabinet.
We moved here literally in the last 30 days. We moved about 400 yards from Bedford Heights to Solon. We're now on Naaman Parkway and still have our showroom on Richmond Road, which we just expanded. We needed more space. We've been growing.
It's amazing. Right in Solon.
Yeah, and how many colors do you offer?
There's 4 stock colors, there's 3 trend colors, and then we've rolled out a Sherwin-Williams program where you pick the color and we'll do your cabinets in that. If you want pink cabinets in your bathroom, we'll do pink cabinets in your bathroom.
That is so cool.
Not only do you have the headquarters here, you have a beautiful showroom and you have qualified designers there to help with the process.
We do. I've got multiple designers on staff.
So not only do you offer kitchen and bath design, what else do you offer?
Laundry rooms, entertainment centers for your family room, pantries. One of our newest things is closets.
Amazing. Wow. And you'll have that all displayed in the new showroom.
We do.
Chris, how big is this warehouse?
So the warehouse is about 125,000 square feet.
Wow.
There's 100,000 cabinets in stock. What you see are the RTA cabinets, but this makes up about 50% of what we sell. About half of what we sell is assembled product, and the other half is shipped as RTA. You get more cabinets in the truck.
And if you mention RES TV,
Extra 10% off.
contact Choice Cabinet today.